Welcome to the Regrid Property App. Today we'll show you how to use our follow tool. People mostly use the follow function to save and make notes on properties that interest them or which they'd like to return to later. In this video, we're only going to be following properties on the website of Regrid, but please note that you can also follow properties from the Regrid mobile app if you'd like, and we have a separate tutorial video on that, so please check it out. But here we go on the website. To follow a property, click on a property that interests you. I've chosen this one at somewhat random. Under the Actions button, you'll see a Follow option. If you click that, you followed the property, and you should see it change color accordingly to highlight. Once you have followed it, you'll see that the Followed tab appears in addition to our Parcel Data tab. And if you click on that Followed tab, you can upload an image and you can add a note to the property if desired under your follows. The other thing that you can do is once you've saved the follow, you can open up the toolbar and click on the Following tab. That'll open up a list of all of the properties that you've followed. For each followed property in here, you can copy a link to that property, you can delete it, and you can click on the property name itself to open it up and see your notes and image. You can also, at the bottom, you'll see this Download Follows as CSV option. What this will do is it'll download a simple list of your followed properties. If you'd like to download these followed properties, but also all of the property data that we have accompanying it, you can do that by clicking on the Export tab. You'll want to choose the Spreadsheet option up here, and you can click the Review Data and Download and follow the export process here as well to get the followed property data. The other big advantage of following properties is that you get updates when things change on those properties. When our data team updates properties you followed, you'll get a notification with an email with what specifically changed. And while this is sort of in the early stages here, we're planning to continue to expand this functionality in the future as well to make these even more interesting and rapid. But for now, you will get a notification when things change on these properties, which is pretty interesting.